Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Trinisha and thank you for stopping by. So this video is all about this red lip combo. As you can see, I am ready and I am in my ugly sweater for my Christmas party tonight. It's just a mini casual, pretty low-key Christmas party, but I want to do a little red lip combo because this is like my absolute favorite red lip combo by MAC Cosmetics with the Chestnut lip liner and the Russian Red Silky Matte lipstick. So if you love this red lipstick combo, stick around. I'm gonna show you how to do it. All right, let's get started. We start with some Bare Lip with the MAC Cosmetics lip liner in the color Chestnut. I have not found another brown that's just like this one. It's like perfect. I just recently learned how to kind of like overline my lips, so that's what I'm doing here. Just trying to make sure I get that line nice and defined and they're equal on each side. My lips are a little bit on the drier side, especially being out in this different climate, but we're figuring that out as we go along. But I just do the full line and then I do a little rub them together just to kind of make them blend a little bit better and then make sure I define everything. So once I'm happy with how this looks, then I'll move on to basically the lipstick now. So let's do that. So now we have this is like the best red lipstick, honestly. I can't remember what other color I had. I used to use like kind of the Fenty sometimes, but this MAC Cosmetics Maximum Matte Lipstick in Russian Red is like the perfect red. It's not too bright, it's not too dark, and it's kind of buildable to me. I realized like when I put it on, like I noticed that if I use it a little bit more defined, but very soft, silky matte lipstick, fantastic. So I just make sure I cover that properly and then make sure I do a little lip blot in between, but perfect. And then once I'm happy with how the lipstick is sitting on there, then I move on to realign it myself just to make sure that the lines are still defined and distinct with that same Chestnut lip liner. I did see some people use the Night Moth lip liner as well as a good combo, and it does come out pretty well as well. But my preference right now is this Chestnut lip liner because I think it's perfect. But this is the red lip, guys. If you loved it, like, subscribe, share with a friend, and see you on the next Vlogmas. Love you. Bye.